And then you can connect a lot of Filipinos. They're also living. I used to live at the same time because that's what the people comes. But nowadays I just live whenever I want to, it when I feel like it. So I see you here. So now I don't know who do you call. Kumusta ate? But for some reason I cannot comment. Like what up? What is your comment? Only to comment here. Yeah. I cannot hear. Yes, sister in yes, sister in Filipino language. Yes, yeah, how do you know? How did you learn? Oh, you went to some, yeah. So you actually went to the live, like people like came up to like what is this like um oh, you went to ma'am, who is this ma'am? I know her. I also ma'am Flores. Yeah, I've subscribed her. She had 10. Yes, you've been climbing up to the lives of other channel like Filipino, mostly Filipino is the one who do live. Yes, Tagalog language. I am Visayan. I'm from Cebu City. Thank you for coming up. Yes. Thank you so much. Now I just click your button like so I can do you do you do you upload video recently? So I see the title of Happy National Day. Happy National Day. For some reason I couldn't find the comments here. Yeah, no, they have 4 comments, but I don't know where to comments. Is some maybe my phone is maybe because I'm living. Thank you so much, Kev Aqua 5 Aqua. Oh, I thought you married a Filipino. Do you know a lot of Filipino? Do you do reels? Salamat to Instagram. Oh, thank you. You are so very friendly. I have friends in the Philippines. Wow, Ma'am Flores has been my mentor to me and I am her co-host on her channel. Yes, I saw that in your collaboration here. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, mostly the people in Philippines, they do live, like, they have like specific time because that's what people whenever like they do live, so they knows what time. Yeah, so and then I cannot do collaboration. I don't have a StreamYard and I never done it. I never done StreamYard in my channel because I thought they used to have like you have to pay for StreamYard. Not sure. I just do it naturally like this, like this, normal. Yeah. I'm so busy. I've been working 10 hours a day too, and 4 days a week. So if we have Friday, that would be our. Yeah, I already subscribe your channel, Kiv 5 Aqua. Thank you so much for support. And you can also subscribe my channel if you don't mind. Do I have been to yes, I do. I have been to Cocina in Minneapolis and I bought Philippine. Oh, nice. I haven't been there. It's a little bit far for me because I live in Maple Grove. But I think it's not really far. Maybe 25 minutes. 25 or yeah, I think so. I haven't been there. I'm pretty sure I know how to cook their food, but it's nice to go there sometimes to help the community. You know what I mean? Thank you so much. Yes. Thank you very much. And if you can watch one of my video there, we've been fishing. I have blog fishing, I have blog shopping, I have too many things. And I bought, wow, I'm so proud of you. You like Filipino food, huh? A lot of American people like Filipino